So this is a Honda Prelude 2.2 liter engine. Now there is an idle drop. Idle is fine, and then boom, it drops, almost stalls, then comes back. So I connected a gauge here before, not this. Right here, this is the manifold. Connected a vacuum gauge, and it shows vacuum is 27 millimeter of mercury or inch of mercury, something like that. So but then it drops to 20, and that's when car almost stalls. So that means there's a vacuum leak usually. I could not find the vacuum leak where it is. So I came up with an idea eventually, and I thought I should share it with everybody because it can be used in any cars. If we pressurize this chamber, the intake manifold, it should show where the leak is from. And to do that, it also shows if the piston rings are fine or not, because as we pressurize this intake manifold, pressure goes to the pistons, and from pistons around the ring, either it will leak easily or not leak. So it's a leak down test really. Okay, if the valves are fine, and then it will not leak easily. So now I did that and could not find, I can hear there's a leak, but I could not find where is the leak. So, but I could hear as I pressurized it. So to do that, I of course took the air filter out and closed this by hand with the gloves, rubber gloves on. I'll show it in a second. And then I pressurized through this chamber with the compressor a little bit. So I closed the intake manifold like this, assuming there's no other leak anywhere. And then I pressurized that system. So when I did that, I could hear the sound as I said, but I could not figure out where's the leak. So what I came up with an idea. I'm pretty sure other people did before. I never seen anybody doing this, so I'm sharing. I actually fumigated inside this. So I opened the throttle body, throttle plate there a little bit, right in there, and I started and you can laugh, I started a mosquito coil, and it's sticking right there. So it's also holding the throttle body, throttle plate, butterfly plate open, and it's burning. So it's full of fume inside. It's full of fume. Now I'll be pressurizing it, and let's see what happens. Okay, now I am pressurizing it. Show here a little bit. Here. Yeah, I'm pressurizing it tiny bit. Now as I pressurized, right there, started to come. See the smoke coming right from there? Is the secondary butterfly plate, throttle plate inside. Throttle is right from the seal. So that seal needs to be changed. Can you see the smoke clearly? Yeah. So focus on the smoke. So that's how to diagnose. So what I have to do here is open this top, and change that seal there. Make sure it doesn't leak anymore, because that's why the idle is dropping and dropping. It goes nice, then drops. It goes nice, then drops. Okay. While it's all open, take the opportunity to clean the throttle plate there. Open it right there. Spray some throttle body cleaner I just did. So now I'll be fixing that leak there. So I have to contact the dealer actually, if they have the part. There must be a rubber seal behind it. Looks like I have to take this diaphragm off first. There's a C-clip, and then there's that bolt there that opens from the bottom. underneath. And well, there might be two, one here, one there, I don't know. And worst case scenario, I have